So what is this?
Yeah.
This is the aluko board.
Yes, this is the aluminium board. Instead of buying 10,
Okay.
I bought 5. You understand?
Ah,
No,
why?
Why? Why is the answer? You know, the 10 that we were suggesting that. Are you there?
Yeah.
We were suggesting that the aluminium board will fix the back. Will roof the back. Do you understand?
Okay.
So, luckily, I went and got this quality aluminium. Do you understand?
This one?
Yes. So this one is going to replace the 5 at the back because it's a roof, and when it weighs on it, it must be something like a roof.
So it would have to slope.
Yes, to slope that way. So this one will take that portion. You understand?
This one?
Yeah. So the little deduction from this will pay the TNT and then the capital. Do you understand?
And then I should get some money back.
No. You don't get money back.
Because this was times...
Do you know what? You know how much this one is costing?
No.
So, I'll give you the receipt.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I will do all the calculations for you. You
That's...
get everything.
Okay.
So, everything will move within the budget.
Okay.
I'm working so that it will not exceed the budget.
Okay. All right. Fair. Okay. All right. Yes. Oh, now it looks bald. Whoa. You gotta go to the back. So up close, this is ripped off, okay, and there was these wires. All right, so this is what Pastor David is ripping it off again. So where would this go? So this is garbage now.
Yes.
Okay, then I'll put it over there at the back. Okay. Okay.
feet. They by 4. And they might cut. They might be 6 feet. They kill a fix. They might be 6 feet. No, they might use 6 feet.
Oh, I'm very, very sorry about that. Blame Pastor David. He is the one that changes his mind at a split second. It's not my fault. So what machine is this, please?
We use it to weld.
Okay. And so this one will go right to the power.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. And then the blade is right there, right? The blade is inside in the green portfolio. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, cool. What cut you?
Oh.
The aluko board? This one caught you. Ah, okay. Shh. One moment. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the extent of the cut.
Remove this thing.
What? Don't remove that. It's okay. We will just.
I will some this thing on it. So I will remove.
Oh.
Sorry.
Is it very painful?
Where did they cut to?
Sorry, okay? Don't cry too much. Sorry. I'll hold it. Yeah.
So, I cut this out.
It's on the other side. Yeah. Roll it a little bit. Okay. Let me find. Oh, you find it. No, I'll do it. Sorry, hold it. Okay.
Huh? Quel labo?
You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong kitty kitty, you the wrong get a up, we drink with a drop cup. Ha! Hey, so you see how